Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today my spinach, feta and chicken filo parcels. Alright, nice easy one this one, let's get on with it. First thing I've got is a ½ kilo packet of frozen spinach. Defrost that. I use a little towel there to get any extra moisture out and put that straight into a bowl, and around about a 200 gram tub of cubed feta. You can buy feta and cube it yourself. This is just nice and easy, and the price was right. I couldn't pass it up. So put that straight in, and this is a new feta I found, really nice and crumbly. I'm not going to say who it's made by, they don't sponsor me. A little bit of nutmeg, go straight in like that, and a good pinch of lemon myrtle, that beautiful Australian bush spice. You try and find that at specialty stores. Give that a good mix through. That feta will start to crumble up quite quickly. Now, I've got one chicken breast. Lay that down. I put the tenderloin side up, use a filleting knife and cut that straight through the center, nice and carefully, just like I am doing right there. Don't want to cut our fingers. As you can see, I've got some baking paper in the background. What we're simply going to do is line our chicken thigh pieces up in between some of those pieces of parchment paper or kitchen baking paper. Alright, next step we've got, we're going to cover our chicken thigh piece or chicken breast piece with another piece of kitchen paper or baking paper, and use your meat tenderizer just to give it a good tap and get it, you know, nice and thin, not too thin, around about a centimetre or just a little bit under that. Doesn't take very much effort at all. You don't have to use a lot of poundage to get it nice and thin, so it should look something like that. Some filo pastry with spray oil or melted butter on top. We're going to layer this up and put another piece on top like that. Try and get them nice and even. Another bit of spray oil and another piece of filo, so that's 3 layers of filo pastry that we're using. Alright, and one more spray of oil, and here's our chicken piece, our chicken breast piece. We want to try and get that about a third of the way up from the bottom of the pastry. Okay, so just rearrange it until it's looking something like that, and we want some space on the left and right hand side. Season that up with a little bit of freshly ground black pepper, okay, and a little bit of salt. You can use whatever salt you like. We're going to use a little bit of Dijon mustard. Just put that straight over the top, a little bit like a Wellington type deal, and don't dip that knife back into your mustard jar. Take the mustard jar out and put it in another vessel, please. We don't want to contaminate a jar of mustard. We're going to add some of our filling over the top of that chicken breast piece, get it all nice and centered looking like that, and we're going to fold the edges over very simply, just like that, and both sides of course. And you want to try and make these as even as possible. This one was the first one I made. It wasn't the most successful one. Just fold that pastry from the bottom up and give it a nice big roll like you were making a big spring roll type deal, except we're just going from the top to the bottom. We're not doing a diagonal roll. Before you know it, you're going to have yourself a spinach feta chicken filo parcel ready for the oven. Oven 180 degrees, 35 to 40 minutes. Check your internal temperature. We want about 74 degrees Celsius. Before you know it, they're going to come out looking beautiful. I've just laid down a little bit of Kewpie mayo and a little bit of pomegranate molasses just for an effect, and also I love the flavour of the pomegranate molasses. Cuts through any richness or any saltiness. Got a real different flavour, and you can get that from your local delicatessen. And there you go. How easy was that to do? Serve it up with a couple of hash browns, bit of sour cream, and you're ready to go. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button, it gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell, you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. In the meantime, You want to learn how to cook something new, something that I just come up with in my crazy messed up head of mine, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Right, off to eat these spinach, feta and chicken filos, and I will catch you next time.